Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 9 of our 30-day English study plan. Whether you have been with us from the start or you are just joining us, you are in the perfect place to improve your English step by step. In today's lesson, we are focusing on something that's really important for sounding natural in English, which is phrasal verbs. And they are used all the time in everyday English. By the end of this lesson, you'll know some of the most commonly used ones. Are you ready? Let's get started. A phrasal verb is made up of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. When you put them together, they often have a meaning that is different from the original verb. For instance, get up, the verb get usually means to obtain or receive. When you add up, it means to rise from bed. Example, I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. Let's have a look at another phrasal verb. Look after. The verb look means to see, but when we add after, it means to take care of. Here's an example. I look after my little brother when my parents are out. Phrasal verbs can seem tricky, but they are really useful once you start using them. Now, let's go through some of the most common phrasal verbs you'll hear in everyday English. The first one is wake up, which means to stop sleeping. Here's an illustration. I wake up at 6 a.m. Here's another one. Turn on or turn off, which means to activate or deactivate something like a light or device. Here's an example. Can you turn off the TV? Or you could say, please turn off the lights when you leave this room. Another phrasal verb is give up. To give up means to stop trying or to quit. Example, don't give up, you're almost there. Next phrasal verb is look for, which means to search for something. Here's an example. I'm looking for my keys. Next one is pick up, which means to lift something or to collect someone. We can say, can you pick up the children from school? In the past tense, you could say, I picked up the book from the floor. Put on and take off means to wear or to remove clothing. Here's an illustration. I'm putting on my jacket. He took off his shoes when he got home. Another popular phrasal verb to use is run out of, which means to use all of something and have no more left. Here's an example. We ran out of milk, so I need to go to the shop. You can see how phrasal verbs make a conversation sound more natural and relaxed. To finish up, here's your homework for today. Write 5 sentences using phrasal verbs we learned today. That's it for day 9. You're doing great. I hope you feel more confident using phrasal verbs. And don't forget, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 10.